On March 3, 2025, officers were dispatched to an auto shop following reports of an assault.
Didn't I just wave at you? Didn't I just wave at you downtown?
Yeah, I just beat the shit out of that guy.
What guy?
He tried to hit me in the head with like a...
You trying to hold me up in here? You trying to hold me up in here?
Alright, come over here, man.
Trying to bash my 16-year-old's head in with.
Alright!
Get the fuck out of my car, fat ass.
Dude, can you wait inside, please? Please.
Go away from me.
Is it Ashley?
No.
What's your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany, alright. What
that
is...
fat mother...
Can I have that, please? Before we do something stupid, can I have that, please? Thank you.
This piece of shit.
Alright, come on over here.
In my kids.
Tiffany, dude, come over here. Come on, it's okay. Take a breath. Take a breath.
No, save your money and don't ever come back.
Alright, first of all, do either of you need an ambulance?
He just tried to hit me in the head with that fucking thing.
I beat his ass, I'm not gonna lie. I whooped his shit in.
He just got jumped.
Okay.
Yes, he did.
Do you want to...
Killed my kids.
I think my hand is already broken, so I know that I just broke it a little bit more. But,
which hand hurts worse?
I'm fine. It's just, I'll be alright.
Which hand hurts worse? Which hand's broken?
Tried to square up and grab my.
When I took my hoodie off, because he was like this. He took his sweater off. He was like, "What's up then?" Because I was like, "Don't talk to her like that. We can fight if you really want to."
We'll figure it out.
So he takes his zipper off, and then I go to take my hoodie off, and he tries to swing on me while I got my zipper on, so I back up and I hit him in his face, and then I grab him and slam him on the floor. And
He did. And my son better not jail.
Okay. I'm probably gonna get.
No, Dad, you're not going to jail. That piece of shit almost killed my kids. I just came back because I came here. They had my car for 26 days, and this fat didn't even bleed my brakes. She said my shit's leaking. She said this car is completely fucking safe to drive. I just came from there, so I came up here because I'm like, you better fix my. Me and my kids, literally, I was going to pick him up from the hospital, and we drove up onto a fucking embankment because my brakes don't work.
It's Ernie.
Shit. Hills have eyes looking ass bitch.
Tiffany, just, are you putting that in your car? It's Tiffany Brett. Yeah.
It's Tiffany Brett.
Tiffany, we'll figure it out. Can you please just take a breath? Take a breath.
I want to press charges on that fat.
Tiffany, listen, I can't help anybody if you keep yelling. I understand you're mad.
Go the f inside.
Hold on.
Get
Can you
the away from me. Stay the f.
Please go inside.
My shit, you.
Tiffany, you have to stop yelling. I can't help any.
Me and my fucking kids.
I hear that. I can't help you though if you keep
spent all
yelling.
my money with that fat f, and he just tried to hurt my son. He said if you were a bitch, I'll fuck you up, you fat. Really? And then he picks that thing up, and he almost just bashed. I almost just watched him bash my kid's head in. You fat piece of shit. Look at my forehead. Yeah. He tried to kill us. He has nothing but deadly weapons in that.
Well, it's a tool. It's a workshop.
You fat ass bitch.
Hello? Hey, man. You guys alright?
I'm the one to call.
Okay.
Of course, I can't really step in.
Are you okay?
Yeah, step in.
You need an ambulance or anything? Okay. Alright. So, what the hell happened? Excuse my French, but...
She comes in, okay? She come in a couple months ago. We were talking about fixing her car because she pulled out somewhere and everything snapped on the front. Left side? Okay, left front.
Okay.
Okay, this is a month or so ago. Yeah, I broke my leg on the 4th of January. So this is literally my 3rd, 4th week back, something like that. Him and the other guy that was here fixed her car. She drove on it a month, and then she comes in here and starts acting. Well, she said her brakes went on. I almost tried to kill her. She's coming here screaming, yelling. I asked them to please leave. They wouldn't leave. Next time I walk over the corner, I turn around. That kid's like, "Oh, we're going, old man." I'm like, "Dude, just leave before you." He's like, "Oh no!" He ripped his shirt off. I was like, taking my jacket off. He swung and punched me. We got it all on camera.
Okay.
He started it.
Okay. All right. Did she get involved in or anything, or?
Yeah, she started hitting me too. If she hit me, I grabbed an impact because I was going to hit him in the because I can't fight both of them.
Yeah.
Now she's got my $300 or $400 impact in her pocket.
Okay.
I want it back or
Okay. What's an impactor? Isn't that a drill or is
It's
that
a
a wrench?
Milwaukee hand.
Okay, yeah, that's what I figured. Okay, you got your radio with you? So she's freaking out. She comes in here saying, you know, my car broke down. You guys are trying to. And then you told her to leave.
No, I said she was just. I couldn't really understand her. She was so crazy and outraged. And I said, I just did you a favor because the work I did for her was totally trashed. I did her a favor because she has little kids. And then she comes back a month later, it's today. I'm like, I didn't try to what the fuck about. Excuse my language.
No, it's fine.
And then she's just off. And I told her, I said, just get your shit. He goes, that's my mom. I said, well, then do me a favor, tell you, get your mom and go. We'll deal with this, some other time when you're not. And then I said, I walked away, went over to my toolbox. Next time I turn around, he's standing behind me, his fist up. Okay, I said, dude, you don't want to do this. He's like, oh yeah, I do. You talk to my mom. I'm like, whatever. So he ripped his shirt off. I started taking my jacket off. As soon as I got my jacket to the here, he started sucker punching me. Then he threw me down. The next thing I know, she's on top of me, hit me with, I don't know if it was the impact or, so I did grab it, tried to hit him with it. I was going to throw it at him.
But and then she grabbed it somehow?
Yeah.
And then she hit you with it?
She grabbed it out of my hand. I don't know.
Okay.
I was dealing with him.
All right, and you said you got security cameras? Can you pull them up for me?
I have to call the owner and get the footage.
All right. Okay. Just hang out for a minute. I'm going to go back and talk to my partner, okay?
So, to my understanding, your son's going to the hospital. Is that correct? Okay.
I have to get my baby.
Yeah.
My friend isn't home.
Yep. Go to the hospital. Take care of him.
I can't. I gotta get my baby. She's
Oh, I
only
thought
in
you meant he
kindergarten.
is your baby.
No, my baby's only 6.
Okay. Well, can you get your baby and then go to him? All right. Listen to me. You are not to come back here, Tiffany.
These police
I understand. Tiffany,
I paid them $400.
I understand.
What do I do?
I would be livid too, okay? I would be livid too.
I died with my kids. That's why I'm here. I can't even get an alignment on my shit.
Listen.
After what he did, they owe me. That's why I'm here.
Time out. I know. We're not the tire police, and I'm not the money police. I can't do anything about that.
He almost just bashed my kid's head in with a tool.
Listen. Everyone's a little bit of a fault here. Okay? Everyone's a little bit of a fault here. Well, not...
So, but besides to come up here, of course I'm angry.
Yes.
I'm allowed, and I have a right to be upset with this dude.
You have a right to be upset. Listen.
And of course I show up. This is who worked on my car.
But the situation... Listen, I know. You showed me, Tiffany. I know. The situation was not handled in the best way that it could have been.
Because he tried to kill the kid.
If you come back here, you're going to get charged with trespassing. This is going to be written up as an assault. Okay? You cannot come back here, nor your son. He doesn't want you here. Alright? If we get involved again today, or anytime in the future with this, you guys are probably going to go to jail. Somebody's going to go to jail. Nobody's going to jail right now. It's going to be a report.
The almost just tried to kill a minor kid. But because it's my kid
I
and
understand
me...
the situation.
His son's the size of a grown adult. And he assaulted
But he's not a grown adult.
It does not matter.
But he's
Tiffany.
not.
Tiffany,
He's still a kid.
It doesn't matter. Ernie is the size of a grown adult, and he assaulted another man. All right. He is a man at this point. How big he is?
Just because. Oh my God.
He is the size of a grown up.
He's
all right.
He's bigger
he's
than
not
me.
Like
he's
a little
bigger than
8-year-old. He's a 16-year-old. And he's massive. Okay. So if he assaults an adult,
I kill for that.
Okay, I understand that. But at the end of the day, they don't want you on the property, so you need to leave the property. Okay.
Do you get what we're putting down, please? Do you hear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. If you want to sue them for the money or the damages or anything, you're going to have to do that civilly, Tiffany. We can't help you with that. All right? But you can't come back here. Okay? Are you able to drive? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, even though my shit's deemed not safe or drivable.
Well,
like, God damn it.
I don't know. Again, we're not the car police.
Us.
I know, Tiffany. I get it.
I literally drove up on a bank with my kids in the car. Like, that's not nothing. That's not nothing. I can't even get alignment on my shit now because nobody will touch it because of what they did. That's why I showed up. She said go back to him because he has to fix that. He is obligated to fix that. That's why I'm here. It's not like I just showed up to beat the out of him. You know what I mean? What's my kid supposed to do? You would probably your mom too. Sure. You know what I'm saying? You'd probably punch somebody in their face, pointing their finger in your mama's face too. You know, just flat out. What am I supposed to do? I have 2 kids. I have no family.
I can understand your point of view, but the situation was not handled very well. It could have. No, we're all adults here except your son.
Except
it could have went a different way.
You know. Well, I mean, like you said, he's big as hell.
Yep.
So once they got to tango
you shouldn't
with each
even
other,
let him go back
you know
there,
what I'm
okay?
saying?
At the end of the day, it's
like
the situation is over and you need to leave the property, okay? So you need to turn the car and you need to leave. We can't sit here all day, okay?
So what do I do?
Your son's going to the hospital. Why don't you go to the hospital and be with your son?
I gotta go get my kid.
Go get your kid first, then take care of your 16-year-old son. If you want to sue him or get an attorney, you're gonna have to do that. I guarantee you, if you pull in the lot, that dude's gonna call us, and it's just gonna make it worse for you and your son. I don't want to do that, Tiffany. I want to see you drive off and go somewhere else and get your car fixed, and I want to turn and go back to the station and write it up and be done. And leave it at that. Do not dig yourself in a deeper hole.
I'm not trying
Don't let your son dig himself. I know. It's over, Tiffany. I know. It's done and over with.
Like, look at my
I see your face.
I mean, it's not a big deal, right? I'm big as hell too, right? Like, damn. What
I get it.
if it was anybody else, I feel like it would go different.
You gotta go, Tiff. You gotta go.
Alright, y'all wanna follow me?
No, just go.
You can say sorry if you want to, but you gotta get going.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for not taking my son to jail.
You're welcome.
Both the woman and her son were charged with assault and scheduled to appear in court. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.